Hey everyone! It's been a while since my last video. I've been really busy with an exciting new venture I recently joined, and I want to share a little bit with you about it. Imagine this, combining an AI chatbot with a product demo, where the AI informs the user about the value, conducts discovery, and ultimately converts them, selling the product automatically. It works 24/7 and in any language. Let me show you what I mean. I've put together a small demo featuring hot chili sauces from Napalm Kitchen. It's an Estonian company. I'm not paid by them or affiliated in any way. They're just the best, at least in Estonia. So check this out. Let's see, Yaroslav of Aidvize.com, and let's start the demo. So here is how it looks like. Okay, yes, sure. Do you enjoy a bit of citrusy zing in your dishes? No. Let's say I'm planning a barbecue party, and I need something very hot for the meat. Okay, for this barbecue party, it recommends mango rage, which is actually a very hot sauce. Probably. Do you have anything cheaper? Okay. Yes, but do you have something to surprise me? Maybe something for a cup of coffee. Let's see. Whoa, that's interesting. So it suggests to try this sauce. Sure. And then I'll just follow the link and buy the sauce. So how cool is that? You can create a demo room, upload your sales materials and share a link, or just add it to your website. I built this app, this AI agent, and I'm happy to announce that I've joined the founding team of Aidvize.com, an AI-powered platform designed to revolutionize sales demos. It's primarily for B2B SaaS, but it can be applied to many other industries as well. You can create a demo room, upload your sales materials, and share a link or add it to your website. With Aidvize AI, you can automate live product demos, engaging prospects in real time. The AI autonomously leads customer discovery, identifies pain points, and adapts to different languages, ensuring a personalized experience for each prospect. This platform is designed for growth-driven products, running dynamic demos that turn interest into paid plans. By incorporating AI-led sales methodologies like spin sales and MEDDIC, it doesn't just showcase your product, it strategically guides conversations to maximize conversions. This means your sales team will receive much more qualified leads. We're just started, but you can already check this out. I will leave the link in the description below. I hope you found this interesting, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Cheers!